All right, hello crypto fam and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today's video is so exciting because we broke all-time highs this last week, right? It has been crazy in the market. We have found some amazing trade opportunities, and I think the cycle is going to continue for a bit. And what we're looking for basically is the top to start looking for more short opportunities. But I want to get right into it today. We're going to be talking about XRP, and this is a really interesting article, right? XRP Ledger is going to start in Ripple's Control Alt deal to basically tokenize Dubai real estate. And this is a big deal because Dubai literally has the biggest real estate growing market. I have many friends that continue purchasing there, and it is one of the most booming markets in the world, and it is continuing to grow. So now if you're going to combine XRP with something like this, we're going to have some major traction with it, right? So what we see here is Control Alt recently became the first VASP in Dubai authorized to offer issuer-related services under the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, which is basically Dubai's crypto group, right? And they're trying token issuance directly to on-chain custody. Now, this move comes amid growing momentum for cryptocurrencies in Dubai, because Dubai is the cryptocurrency hub of the world right now. A lot of traders are moving there. I had to move to save on obviously trading things, so a lot of people are doing that, and Dubai is making that an easy open door. Now, with something like this happening, it's a huge deal for the government. It's also a huge deal for XRP, and we can kind of see that its price is feeding from there. So, like, let's go into a bigger time frame here. We can see we don't need all this, right? It's for the trading yesterday. What we can see in the past week is XRP did look. Let's go to the bigger time frame. We can see here from this to this, XRP's retracement has now eaten up roughly all the way up to the 78.6. And you guys want to know what's crazy here? We can hide these, make it a little bit easier. Nope, wrong one. We want to hide this one. And we want to hide the small one. There we go, guys. Okay, so what we see here is it literally went right through, hit the 61.8, broke through, hit the 78.6. Great little short opportunity, obviously, right here, because after it hit the 78.6, we dropped about 6% in 20 hours with high leverage. Like, if you guys do use BTCC, they do let you use up to 500x leverage. Make sure you use a stop loss if you're using that high of leverage, but it's so damn easy. Like yesterday, we had a beautiful short. We had two shorts yesterday. We had a long and a short. The short, I was trying to close a position, lost 24, but then on the long, we made about 198. And that long didn't take more than, 10 minutes, 9 minutes on that trade. So it's super duper easy, specifically when the market is moving like this. And you can see there's a lot of movement within the market. So the goal right now would be to find the next position and see, okay, is this a trend line? Is this now causing a downtrend, or is this actually just an uptrend and we're waiting to break out of this? Once we receive a breakout, we're going to go in for either a long or short position in a very small time frame, kind of like this. And like you guys can see here, this is how I'll do my test trades, right? To decide, okay, is my strategy working again? And once I feel like it is, I start getting right back in the market and making some trades. Now, what I want to do with XRP is see if it's going to break above this. If we do break above this, I'm hoping we get like a little bit of a bounce, maybe a stabilization here, a stop here. I'll look for a short, right? Or I'll look for a long right here, just depending on which one I'm able to catch, depending on the market movement. Now, again, what could occur though is we could do something like this. And if we do something like this, I am going to look for a short, and I'm just going to try to capitalize on this little move here. That little move from here to there is really only 1.7%, 1.8%, but that's a good scalping percentage, right? That's an easy win, especially with XRP. Now, if we also, again, go back to the bigger time frame, the fact that we've hit the 78.6 means we could retrace back to the one. We're still only 12% away from all-time highs of XRP. So the momentum is shifting for positivity on XRP. And if we look at just the bigger time frame, we can see that we're technically making this trend line up, right? If it hits it again, and it hits it again, I genuinely believe that we're going to break all-time highs, and we're not that far away from all-time highs, you guys. I know BTC clearly has broken its all-time highs multiple times this past couple of days, right? Like, look, we did it here. Look, let's actually zoom out, and I'll show you guys. We did it here. Well, no, we did it here. and we did it here again, then we did it here again, and then we topped that at around 123,000. And right now we've kind of stabilized down here. We did get the full retracement back down to here. If we look at the bigger time frame, that retracement is only 0.382 so far is all we've hit. We're still away from the 0.5 and the 0.618, and maybe it did reload here and this is another leg up, but what we're waiting to see is if it can break this all-time highs. BTC to all-time highs is only 3%. XRP is roughly 13%. I do believe XRP has a lot of momentum to make some major moves. If you guys saw the previous video, please do check that out. It's talking about how XRP is going to get a lot of institutional money entering. If we can get this market cap up another 100, 200 billion, I mean, you guys, that price will go substantially crazy, and you just don't want to be missing the wave. I still do have the BTCC link below. They are still giving a 10% deposit bonus, so it's free money for you. Use that to your advantage. It's super duper easy. When you are opening a trade, my best advice is to quantitate it with USDT and then put in a limit order, something like this, and then put how much your position is going to be. Then you can adjust your leverage and it will tell you what margin you're actually risking on that trade. I'll make you guys a couple more guides on how to use BTCC so you can actually benefit from these market movements. This is the best time to be trading on the market. I mean, volatility like on every daily candle. Look at this. This is so crazy. Like this one daily candle did 6%. This one daily candle did literally 14%. And we're going to keep getting these movements. So you just want to make sure you're able to capitalize on them, especially in a time like this. The market's going a lot more parabolic. You just want to make sure you can benefit from it as much as you can. Definitely check out the BTCC link below. Message me on Telegram if you guys got questions, because I know that trading can be a little difficult. You just have to practice. And the more you actually play, the better you're going to get at it, especially over time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you do not miss out on crypto news like this, because this market is not slowing down right now. And if we do hit a bear sentiment, we at least can capitalize on the way down. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate the likes and the comments. I'll see you guys on the next video.